In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Alibaba. Whether you're dealing with a product that wasn't as expected, or maybe something went wrong with your order, we'll walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your refund process is as smooth as possible. First up, go to Alibaba's website. That's www.alibaba.com. You'll need to be logged into your account to proceed. Once you're in, it's always best practice to make sure you're well aware of the order details you're aiming to dispute. Jot down any pertinent information such as the order number and any prior communication with the supplier. This proactive measure will come in handy later on. Next, contact the supplier directly. Before escalating any issue, it's a good gesture to try resolving it with the supplier themselves. Many times, a simple conversation can lead to a quick and amicable solution. To contact them, locate your order list, find the specific order, and use the chat or message feature on Alibaba to send a detailed message. Clearly explain your concerns while remaining respectful and concise. If you find that communication with the supplier isn't leading to a satisfactory resolution, the next step is to visit Alibaba's Help Center. You can easily access this by scrolling to the bottom of the page and finding the Help Center link under the Customer Service section. The Help Center is your resource hub for various support materials, including guides on refunds and disputes. Now you're ready to apply for a refund through Alibaba. On the Help Center page, look for the option that mentions refunds or disputes. This is your starting point for formally requesting a refund. Typically, you'll need to provide detailed information about your order and the issues you have encountered along with any evidence, such as photos or correspondence with the supplier. With all the necessary details ready, find and click on the Open a Dispute button. This will direct you to a new form where you'll enter all the relevant information you've prepared. Make sure everything is accurate and as detailed as possible, since this forms the basis of your refund request. After submitting your dispute, you'll be given the option to submit a new complaint if needed. This typically involves a deeper level of formal contact with Alibaba's customer service. Ensuring your complaint contains all the pertinent documentation and information can significantly improve your chances of a successful refund. Finally, once your complaint is lodged, it's time to wait for the supplier's response. They usually have a time frame of 5 to 7 business days to get back to you. During this time, it's important to keep an eye on your account for any updates or requests for more information. And that's it! By following these steps, you can navigate the refund process on Alibaba with confidence. Stay patient, and remember that maintaining clear communication throughout the process is key to a successful resolution. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.